I don't know where to start. This, and this is all very crushing. I know this is posted on April 1st, which counts as April Fool's Day, but this is no joke. I already got all the things that's nice to say, so I am not going to cry on camera. If you have any, I don't know, video ideas or other games I should play, because I do not want to make another Roblox account, let me know. I will post another video as after this video as soon as I'm done. So let me know what I should do, because I have no idea what I should do. It's very disappointing. I hope this is just an April Fool's, but at the same time I don't think it is, because this decision was made yesterday, because apparently I was embodying it. Let me read everything it says. It says account deleted, and yes, it's not a picture of someone. It's my account, obviously. For some reason the Roblox sign is still here. I don't know, but it says account deleted or content mode something. How do I not know how to pronounce that? Our content monitors have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of our terms of service. So I don't know about what I did wrong, but now my progress in real height is gone, so I know what to do. No one's gonna actually trade me, and nor can I go to trading. Here's my friend's account, but I have way more stuff there on my account. And what would I trade it to my friend's account? Even if he doesn't play anymore, I don't have permission, so I'm not going to. My progress is done in B-Star Simulator and other games, so I don't know what to do. But let's continue. It says reviewed 3. So basically yesterday at 10:33 p.m. I didn't log on that late. I was actually not on that late yesterday, but it also said moderator notes. This account has been closed due to exploding and slash or botting behavior. It was never a bot, and if I was using a different account. I don't know if you found out it was me, but I stopped. This was as a friendly joke to my friend, but it was not botting. Yeah, so this says your account has been terminated. If you wish to appeal, please contact us from support form. So I will do that because I want my account back and my progress back. But I remember I sent Roblox a note before, and they never really did anything about it. But I got over that game. It was most likely probably if it was a game, not like anyone like stealing my stuff, like my avatar here. So yeah. So if you have any suggestions based on what I should do, comment that down. Even if this is posted on April Fool's Day, doesn't mean it's April Fool's. Next video will be posted in like 20 to 40 minutes. So it just depends on how long the thumbnail can take, and I cannot have a Roblox avatar in this thumbnail unless I use a different account. I have a whole bunch of other accounts that I will not name. So yeah, that's all for today. Do not unsubscribe, because I will still post. Maybe on a different account, so I'll still be active on all the way high tea and everything. Should subscribe, press the like button, and if you're still subscribed with it, I'll see you all in the next video. Before I leave, I want to shout out 2 people. Here they are. Mama Mia. She posts TikTok videos and stuff. Her videos are pretty interesting, and I suggest if you're a TikTok person, or you like watching TikTok videos, you should subscribe and like all of her videos. Number 2, Noah. She's always in my outro. Um, she does interesting videos, and they're all good. I suggest you, if you like, I don't know how to describe it, but like, her videos are very amazing and awesome, and I suggest you subscribe to show some love and support. But I'll see you on in the next video. Bye!